Hello! So today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day set on my Aliana hand. She's named Gracie, so I'm going to be using Pillar Box from Nail Nails. I forgot what I was going to do here, so I sort of like hesitated of where I was going to start. So first of all, I am just doing one coat of gel polish. This hand is absolutely amazing for practicing with your gel polish application because the cuticles are it's like a real hand. It's just amazing. So now I'm going to be using Merry Cherry from Nail Sugar, which is the website is just below on the screen. It's a beautiful chunky mix, so sparkly. So I'm just getting my scooping it over the nail, let it sink in for a little bit, and then just tapping the sides, and then you pop that in for a double cure. Okay, so that's fully cured. Now I'm just going to brush off the excess with my little nail brush. How beautiful is that glitter? Okay, so now I'm still using the Pillar Box from Nail Nails. They've got a 50% off gel polishes this month, so of course I had to buy some, treat myself. So I'm going to do 2 coats of gel polish, curing for 30 seconds in between each coat. Okay, so I'm going to use some of these stickers that I got from Shein. Oh, I don't know how you say it, but you know what I mean. So yeah, they were quite fiddly, so I had to go off screen, out of shot. They're really fiddly. I wasn't actually going to post this set because I wasn't overly happy with how they turned out, to be honest. But hey ho. So yeah, I'm just getting these stickers off. You've got to be very careful because otherwise they'll rip. And then just putting them on to the nail. It's the Eiffel Tower. Didn't like that one. It was too small, so I got the bigger one. Okay, so now I'm just going over it with some matte top coat, also by Nail. And then once that's all on, I will pop it in for a 30-second cure. Okay, that's out the lamp. See what I mean? It like the stickers, like I think the red was too dark for the stickers. But that's how you learn, and that's the good thing about practice. You get to know what works and what doesn't. So I've just got a bit of top coat on my little palette there, and I am just going in. Hold on, I'll show you the brush. It's from Rachel Wilder's Short Gel Liner, I think it was called. So I'm just going to do a rough French, and then I'm going to get the Merry Cherry glitter, pop it on, and then pop it in for a double cure. Okay, so once that's out the lamp, just brush off the excess, and that is that set done. I hope you liked them more than I did. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye.